Just installed the Curt 11318 tow hitch on a 96 Subaru Impreza Outback, and it was pretty easy. So on the driver's side, you just take off the exhaust bracket, exhaust hanger, and the tie down, the factory tie down on the frame. And I left one of those bolts on there because the hitch actually covers one of the bolt holes, so I didn't want an open hole, so have one out and one in. And then on the passenger side, you end up with this toe, the tie down hook that you got to remove. So it actually works pretty good. This model comes with this extra hitch and the pin. The only problem I had was the isolator right here doesn't really line up, and mine's actually broke right in the center. Doesn't quite line up, but keeps it down anyway. And right here is where I remove that hook. This one in there like so. You can see that the hitch covers the one hole, so I just put the one bolt back in so there wasn't an open hole. Then on the passenger side, this one in there, so you have to remove that. And those are those holes. Pretty easy. Now it does say in the instructions you have to cut the fascia somewhere, but I didn't have that problem. It's not rubbing anywhere. The only problem I had was right here. This pin's hard to get in because of the way the hole's lined up. Thought that might help somebody.